I am not paying you $477.50 if I lose a key. That's what I told my Airbnb landlord. It's important that you watch this video so you can prevent this from happening to you. So, typically when I do an Airbnb on YouTube, I show all the positives, just a little of the negatives. This time, I gotta call out shenanigans. When I originally came to this place, he handed me the key, not the owner, the manager who's running the place, and he said, listen, here's the key. If you lose the key, I will charge you 2 million pesos. 2 million pesos right now equals $477.50. I called out BS right away. Began a gentle argument with the guy and told him I'd never pay that price, and now I'm not staying. He backed up, he retracted, and after us going back and forth for 10 minutes and giving me agita, he backed out. But the bottom line is, I don't go to get an Airbnb to get agita. So when somebody's breaking them on me and trying to take advantage of me, I'm gonna call them out on it. I'm asking you guys as well that when you get an Airbnb, do the same. Don't let Colombian landlords of Airbnb come into you with this type of B crap. It's absolutely B crap, and we have to stand up and not let it happen. I immediately went at him, verbally, not, in an aggressive way. A strong discussion, a difficult discussion, and he backed down. And I'm asking you guys to do the same. Whenever you're gonna rent a place in Airbnb, you gotta have your heads up. And when you're in Colombia, double heads up. Have eyes in the back of your head, because you never know. These guys, they make up ideas. They pull it out of their butt. So we're all gonna stick together on this, and we're all gonna get through it. We're not gonna let that happen. You can message them before you move in. Listen, what's the policy with the key? God forbid I get robbed. What if I get robbed? What happens with the key? If he comes back and says, oh, you're gonna pay $477.50, hey, no, goodbye.